Hello and welcome back to another episode of Mindful Musicians with Nancy Schleier. Today we're going to be talking about some ways to work on your scales. How do we work on them? What are they? What movements do we need to get down to ensure that we are doing our scales in the most productive way possible? So I'm going to come over here to my keyboard. So I'm going to start with a C major scale. Now there's one movement that we really need to know before we start practicing our scale, and that is the cross under. So it's this movement or this motion here. So when I cross over, I'm playing my C and bringing my thumb over. When I cross under, I'm playing my middle finger and then reaching under and crossing this way. So I'm going to play a C major scale. Notice that as I was going up this scale, I crossed under. So I'm playing fingers 1, 2, 3, cross under, and I'm trying to show that as best as I can. So cross under to 1, and then coming back down, I go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again I'm crossing under, or crossing over, excuse me. So when I put those together, now sometimes that is a lot and can be a lot for especially young pianists. So what I find is best is to just practice the first 4 or 5 notes in the scale. What this does is it helps us practice that crossover without the pressure of having to get the whole scale correct. Once you have practiced it ascending, practice it descending. So and if I go 5 notes, the reason that we're doing it like this and we're breaking it down is we want our brain to focus the maximum amount on the trickier parts. Let's take a look at the left hand now. So I'm going to go. Notice that in the right hand, the crossover is within the first 5 notes. Watch what happens when I play the first 5 notes with my left hand. So the crossover actually happens in the last 4 notes. So with the left hand, I would practice descending first. Now, once I've practiced both of these positions, I'm going to try putting the 2 together. So first, I'm going to play that 5-finger position starting on C. And remember, my right hand is moving after that third finger. So now practice it descending. Once we have that, let's go to the last half of the scale. So we go and descending. And once I have both of those, let's try putting it together. Another thing that can help when doing these white key majors, every major except for B and F will have the same fingering. In the white keys, the black keys are a little bit different, but in the white keys, they'll have the same fingering. One thing that I always kind of helps me remember where I'm supposed to be is my middle fingers will always play at the same time. So watch my hands again. Middle fingers, middle fingers, middle. So that's another way that we can kind of check to make sure that we're playing it correctly. Now that we have gone through and played this C major scale, try going back through with, say, the D major or the G major scales and see how well that practice technique works. I look forward to hearing from you all in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!